Daddy.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Risha Ruanami, aka Wolf Daddy. And in case you don't know what I do on this channel, I make subliminals. Since I do make subliminals with audio, I wanted to share something you guys could do at home, which is make subliminals visually. This is a really easy technique for manifesting your desire or whatever you're trying to manifest. So I just wanted to show it to you. I'm only going to be showing you one technique of Sigil Magick. So if you don't understand this particular technique, then that works for me. Then you can go ahead and do your own research on Sigil Magick and see what other techniques works for you, because there's other ways to create sigils, but this is something that works for me. I want to kind of warn you, you don't want to go too extreme with sigils. Don't have this extreme desire like manifesting $1 million. Sigils are really a small way, it's a small tool to attract your desires. If you're new at this, you want to try manifesting small things first, then building yourself up, which I recommend with all forms of law of attraction or witchcraft. So on this channel, I'll be talking more about law of attraction and witchcraft. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. I don't want to ramble on too much. Alright, so what are sigils? So a sigil is a unique symbol which is created for one special purpose to express and manifest our desire. So I'll put the things up on the screen. The things you'll need is a piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, and some scissors. So the first step to creating a sigil is to define your desire. Ask yourself, what is it that you want? And then you want to write an affirmation. When writing your affirmation, you want to make sure you're not including limiting things, limiting words, and you don't want to write I want, I wish. That's the lack of mentality. Like, you're just saying what you lack.
I got all the money that you niggas lack. I'm really the king, and that's never a cap. I put you niggas on, now you wanna rap. You niggas wanna be me. I'm on my Chris Breezy.
And that's not how you're gonna manifest. You always wanna put it in present tense as if you already have what you desire, such as I am or I have. So the example I have here is I am a money magnet. And if you don't know how to write an affirmation, which is really easy, it's really simple, but if you don't know how to, or if you don't know how to word whatever you're trying to manifest, Google there's different affirmations. So if you want to manifest a big butt but you don't know how to write it in affirmations, then just go on Google and I'm pretty sure they have a whole bunch. Step 2 is eliminating vowels and repeating letters. So whenever I'm creating my sigils, I don't do it online as I'm showing you guys here. I like to do it on paper, which I recommend. At the top of the page, I like to write the vowels because, you know, I'm stupid, I forget my vowels. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, which I wrote over here. And as you can see, whatever I highlighted red is all the vowels. When I eliminate my vowels, as you can see, I ended up with M, N, N, Y, M, N, G, T. So now that we eliminated our vowels, this is when we eliminate the repeating letters. So the only repeating letters that I have is M, M, N. So now we're left with M, N, Y, G, T. The next thing you want to do is trap the letters in a circle or any shape. Guys, I hope you guys can see this, but I just decided to use this whiteboard app I found. So I'm going to show you guys how to draw it. It's way easier on paper. I don't know how people do it on computer, but I'm going to use a circle for this. So go ahead and draw your circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. I know mine isn't. And then creatively place the letters in the circle. It doesn't have to make sense. And And then while putting your letters, make sure you cross them out so you don't get confused. Alright, you guys, so this is the sigil I came up with. I know it what's it called, like, it doesn't look the best, and you guys are really beautiful and creative, so I know you guys can come up with something better, but that's just what it came out to for me, which is totally fine. So after we draw our sigil, you want to charge it. And by the way, these sigils and these slides aren't mine. I just found them on fucking Google. This is some Skyrim sigil I found. But yeah, the next thing you want to do is charge your sigil. So you're gonna put the sigil in a visual place on a wall or anywhere you can see it. So I guess you will need something else, some tape or whatever. So you don't have to memorize the meaning of the sigil. You can just forget the meaning. You just have to feel the sigil and act as if your desire has already manifested in your life. So this is just basic law of attraction. Whenever you put something out in the universe, you don't even have to worry about it anymore. You could just go on with your life and act as if, you know what, I already have what I've manifested. Your subconscious mind understands pictures and feelings. You can manipulate your brain into thinking something that's already happened. Don't let your mind interfere with your desire. Never focus on it too much. Whenever you focus on your sigil too much, then you're just interfering with it. So the last step is to forget or detach. Once you've created and activated your sigil, it's time to relax and know that the universe is taking care of it. The more you obsess over your desire, the more you fuck up the results. So just let it go. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and comment below. Also, if you guys have any requests for any videos you would like me to do, then go ahead and DM me on Instagram at vadvitch. This will make it easier for me to kind of look in my DMs and be like, oh, okay, so this person wants this subliminal to include blah blah blah. So that would be nice. I do not charge for requests, so don't be afraid to DM me. And then you could comment below as well, but sometimes I'm like, I don't know, like, sometimes I'm like, wait, what does this girl want? I'm not really understanding. So be sure whenever you guys are requesting me, be specific. With that being said, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Keep those vibrations high. Hydrate yourself, drink some water, and I will see you in the next video.